real monkey once ran a train station. In 1880 South Africa, a railway worker named James Wide lost both legs in an accident. He trained a baboon named Jack to help push his wheelchair. But Jack wasn't just muscle. He started learning signals, then levers, then ran the entire station. Think this is wild? Hit subscribe. We've got even crazier stories coming. For 9 years, passengers trusted a baboon to keep trains from crashing. Officials tested him. Jack passed, with 0 mistakes. He was even given official employment and paid with bananas and beer. When he died, the railway said, "No human ever did it better." Insane, but true. Would you trust your morning train to a monkey?